What is popping? Your girl is back with another video, and this time we're going to be doing a try-on haul. And I got this bag here full of Fashion Nova. Then we also got this here from Pretty Little Things. This is my first time ordering from Pretty Little Things. So we're just gonna get into these looks.
Digits on the beat. Digits on the beat.
Alright, so try-on hauls are actually way more work than I expected. Trying to try on all the outfits, get the pictures and everything. I did go through quite a few of the outfits. Still have like this much more to go. And then I did just get some little accessories and stuff. But we're just going to go ahead and wrap this up today. And if you just want to see any more of the outfits, you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram. They're right here. And I will be tagging the outfits just so you can go ahead and pick those up if you like. And then also just got this little bag from Fashion Nova as well. So yes. And that is going to be the end of this video. And I'm out. And I'm out.